to my channel. My name is Robin and this is my closet. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. Thumbs up if you like it. If you're returning to my channel, thank you so much for your loyalty. And if you're new subscribers, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy all my videos. So today I actually have an Aldi accessory box. I think I ordered it off of She Crafty's channel, but I'm a little disappointed because it looks like it was run over by a truck. So I'm kind of hoping nothing is damaged. I can't remember if this is a monthly or quarterly box, but I will leave the price below and a link, and if there's a discount code, of course, I will leave that for you as well. And hope you guys are having a great day. I think the weather is getting nicer, except maybe for a couple states. So there's a note, and my stylist is Marina Priester from Luxury Divas, and she's got, "Hello Robin, it's always great to have new subscribers, and even though this is your first box, I hope you keep coming back. This an inexpensive way to spoil yourself, and there are so many new and amazing products we have to offer. I hope you enjoy. Love, Marina." So how cute is that? And this must be for the St. Patrick's Day, because I have a sucker. And I'm going to have to give it to the man because diet, diet, diet. And there's all sorts of paperwork. We are all created equal. Then we accessorize. So that's cute. And it looks like it has the prices in here. So if you get a 1-month box, it's $30, and then there's $100 or more in value. If you get 3-month subscription, it lowers it to $25, and then there's $300 or more in credit, or in the box. 6 months comes out to $25, $600 or more, and 12 months is $1,300 or more. So there is a link, and then you just fill out your sizes and what kind of accessories that you like. Nicely wrapped. And I'm pretty excited because if I remember, it was super, super cute. And then it's got a card which I believe has everything in here. And the first thing is Luxury Divas. Oh, and there's 2 pairs of the little sockies. These are great because I always walk around barefoot, and I just love these. So a great start to the box. The next thing, look at the size of this bag. What do you think's in here? It's a belt. I never would have guessed a belt. But look at this belt. It's brown. And there's one thing that I never buy myself are belts. I just not into them, but I always need them. So I'm pretty excited about this belt. And this is exciting. And this is by Luxury Divas. And I believe it's a scarf. Isn't that pretty? I'll have to try that on. We must have company because I hear very loud men out there. The next thing are earrings, and Look at that. Oh, hold on. They're getting very loud out there. I got to go do some beating up. Sorry about that. I think when men get older and their hearing goes, they try to out-talk each other. And that's pretty much what they're doing out in the living room, is trying to out-talk each other. So, I am back, and these are the earrings. I don't know if I will wear them because they might be too heavy for my ears, but they're really pretty. So far, I'm very impressed with this box for $30. Then the next thing is Kiss for Keeps, and it's a couple lipsticks. There's 2 liquid lipsticks, and if you watched my Walmart beauty box, I got a whole box of lipsticks. So I'm not going to open these. These might actually go into a giveaway. The next thing, oh my God, this is so pretty. It is a tank top. Now, the first thing that comes to mind is, how am I going to get this into this? So let's see what size it is. It's by Luxury Divas. And obviously I would have to wear a strapless bra, so maybe it stretches. It could be a one size fits all because I don't see any, I don't see a size on here. Oh, one size. I'm gonna try it on, but I don't know. And how great is that with this scarf? So Tracy at Cheap Crafty, thank you. And the last thing in this box is a cardigan, a black cardigan. So I'm thinking the black cardigan with the green and the scarf. And then you could put the earrings, use the lipstick, and I could wear these in my boots. Nobody would see them. So let's go over everything that was in this box. There's the sage green cage top camisole. It doesn't put, oh, maybe it does. Oh, it's $18. And if this camisole fits me, I would love it in every color. Then there's the little knit 2-pack no-show socks. They retail for $12. And then the rhinestone bow and pearl earrings are $15. Says it's blue, but I didn't see blue. The lip gloss set is $15. The brown braided elastic belt is $15. This is how you're supposed to wear the scarf. So give me about 3 hours and I should be able to get it to look like that. And that scarf is $19. And the black open front cardigan is $20. So this is a 5 cactus. I loved everything in the box. The only thing are probably these earrings. And I don't know if my daughter-in-law has, future daughter-in-law has earrings for her wedding dress. But I've seen the dress and she might like these. So let me know what you thought of this. Again, I will leave the link below, so if it's something that you'd like to order, I highly recommend it. And as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and have a great day.